Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Gala video update today. And on the daily we did make a little bit of a dragonfly doji right here, so maybe you can just pump a little bit higher, but this is nothing more. I think we've been through this and we've seen that we're just making some sideways consolidation. When the market was pumping here, people thought, oh okay, and then it was dumping, people turn negative, and then it pumps, it's okay, and then when it goes down it's not okay, and then it pumps a little bit, it's okay. So the topic is sideways. Okay, so there's something on a sideways market because in general there are three type of market. One is a trending one and one is sideways. So you got an uptrend actually, number one. Number two is you got a downtrend, and then you have the sideways, number three. And in this sense, what I do see is a sideways market at the moment. This is just a consolidation, and the reason behind a sideways market is the following. When the sideways market is created to, target people who have weak plan. Okay, if your plan is weak, then you're going to have a very bad time in a sideways market, because with every single green candle you're going to change your opinion about the market, and with every single red candle you change your opinion about the market. And this is what the newbies really do. They think that one pump is okay and one dump is bad, one pump is okay, and in the smaller time frames they are trading very, very badly. Like they're buying right over here and they sell it after a dump, and then they buy it at the pump, and then they're going to sell it at a dump again, and then it's going to move up, come down, move up and come down, and it's going to be just a very bad trade. Instead of relying, and this is why I always say this, better to rely on a pattern that is proper pattern, and don't trade it's not recommended to trade on a sideways market. Just don't do it. Okay, it's better, just don't do it. Sometimes not trading at all is a part of trading, and it's actually the biggest part of trading that you don't trade. People think that trading is just, oh, you have to do this every single minute, every single time. No, that's over trading, and that's something that newbies do. Anyways, a target is still down here. I'm still expecting that target. I'm okay with a pump up as well, because I'm still planning on looking if I can get some at the retest here and then push it up, or just come down and then buy it, as I've been saying before. And during the sideways market as well, if you fail to get something out of a sideways market, one of the things that a trader is going to tell themselves is that maybe I'm bad at trading, right? That's when people say that maybe I'm just bad, I don't know how to trade. And the reason is because they should have avoided trading a sideways market. So hopefully when there's a ranging market once again, this was a good time. I was even telling you some technical targets that, we're going to move up. Actually not here, but more like here. I was making video updates that you broke out of here, and this is what I'm looking for. And that's exactly what I want. Whatever happened here is what I'm looking for here. You break out again, and then that's when you trade. Because I made a video that this is looking good, it broke out, you have a technical target up, some people even traded it and they got something out of it. I wasn't like, yo, you're coming down and this and that. No, but in here, when you have a pattern, this is a pattern, and this points to the downside, just like you had a pattern in here that pointed to the upside. That's the issue. And that's pretty much it for this update on Gala. Gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.